Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to send a lion on a TikTok live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your TikTok app and log into your account. Next, you have to join the live stream of the person you want to send lion to. For example, I have this live stream right here. So if I want to send lion to this person, all I have to do is to click on the gift icon at the bottom area of my screen. So once I do that, the next thing I have to do is to scroll down until I see a lion. So here's a lion right here. So if I want to send this, though, we have the big lion and the baby lion, right? So if I want to send, for example, I want to send a baby lion, I just have to select it and I will see the worth of this baby lion. The worth of this baby lion is 4,888 coin. That means I have to recharge 4,888 coin first before I can send this lion. If I have insufficient coin, I would be able to send this lion. So if you want to send, proceed to click on send, and then we have to look for a coin that is worth 4,888. Unfortunately, there's no coin right here, but we can choose something that's above the coin, which is 7,000. So I will have that selected, and then I will click on this get coin right here at the bottom area of my screen, the button. So once I click on that and I purchase this coin, then the baby lion is going to be sent to this person on this live stream. So that's it guys, that's it on how to send lion to someone on TikTok live. Lion is actually one of the biggest gifts you can send to someone on a live. All right, so it's actually one of the big gifts out there. So if you appreciate someone with a lion, it means a lot. So that's it guys, hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.